Alright, what's up guys? This is the explanation to how to do Gunnery 1 merit trainings for Marine Imperiale. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using two cannons, firing them 3 times each, and reloading them twice each, okay? So we're going to start with the guns prepared to fire. Fire off both. Reload both by doing powder, powder, round shot, push, round shot, push, grab a round shot while you wait. Fire this off as soon as possible. Same for this one. And we're just going to repeat what we did. Powder, powder, round shot, grab round shot, push the cannon, round shot, push. So now that we got this, we're just going to fire them one more time, and boom, we're done. That's time. So to qualify for this merit, they must get under 55 seconds